Hey birdies, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Kemari Reaction. How you guys doing today? So I'm back again with another recommendation, another reaction video to the group UN1TY, UN1TY. This is a music video to their song Baby. If I could remember correctly, this is a group that they're vocally talented. They give you most like slow jam, little pop in there, but you know, I don't really care too much for slow songs to watch, but I really do like this group. I think they're vocally talented as a whole. They're really good. So let's go. Dun, 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 dun.
Cerita manis kita jalani, penuh warna bagai pelangi. Semua mata pun meyakini kita bagai Romi dan Juli. Namun takdir telah berkata, jalan kita harus berbeda. Oh kasihku, kamu tenang saja, ini bagian cerita kita. Kau dan aku sama-sama tahu, kisah kita tak akan bersatu. Jarak kan pisahkan kau dan aku, saat kamu pergi jauh, mengejar semua mimpimu dan kau lupa.
Nerds.
Daripada nanti kita sakit hati.
Oh, University of France.
Don't you worry about me, I'll never let you pass your true opportunity. We both know, girl, we'll be okay.
We'll be okay, baby.
Percayalah, akan ku ingat semua cerita cinta kita. Masa indah di SMA, di hatiku cuma kamu.
Namun takdir telah berkata, jalan kita harus berbeda. Kisah kita tak akan bersatu. Jarak kan pisahkan kau dan aku, saat kamu pergi jauh, mengejar semua mimpimu dan kau lupakan. Sayang, kita tak harus untuk bersama. Katanya kalau jodoh tak kemana.
Come on with the vocals. Nerd.
Kita takkan bersatu. Kau dan aku sama-sama tahu, kisah kita akan takkan bersatu. Jarak kan pisahkan kau dan aku.
When I graduated high school, did I take a picture with anyone?
Simpan saja cinta kita.
Semua mimpimu dan kau lupakan. Jangan sampai terluka.
Lekas, yeah.
Go get your girlfriend, child. She's pretty.
Daripada nanti kita sakit hati.
Ooh, with the vocals.
Aku, baby.
Oh. 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 So that was UN1TY, Unity. This was a music video to the song Baby. Like I said, I do like this group. This group to me is more like a love songs making group. And I like them because I think they're vocally talented, especially a cappella. This group is everything. So thanks to the one who recommended me to react to this. I really do like this group. And I'm happy to be back reacting to them. I've been so bad. This is very cute. I love all of them. How much of them is there missing? What, 8? 8 of them. I love all of them. Love you guys. So thanks to the one who recommended me to react to this. I really do appreciate it. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section. We'll get to this as soon as possible. As always, we could do you besides here. I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.